Okay, everyone, I hope that this is recording. I think I pressed record. Cool. So I'm just going to show you guys quick how to like save pictures from my Google Drive of stickers, and then how to import fonts into Over and how to like use them for your Instagram. So we're just going to pick the top one. It does take a crap ton of time to download all of these. I'm fully aware, but I had to do the exact same thing. And unfortunately, I don't think there's a way to download all, but it's just the way you have to do it. So you'll click on it and you can scroll to, let's see where it's at, or click on it, and then you will press and hold. Sorry, it's different every time. Press and hold where it says save to camera roll, click OK. If it's an Android, it might be a little bit different. It's going to say preparing to save. So then what you can do when you go into Over, so we're just going to start with like a plain, we'll do transparent background and we'll show you why in a second. But you'll go to your images and it'll show up. I have all of mine saved in a Christmas sticker folder, so I can just click on any of them. And once it opens up, you can move around the sticker as is. So that's very simple. About how to download the pictures, you put them in Over like that. What you can do, something that's really cool, and you can do this with fonts also. So if you want to like combine a couple of things and put them just over something, you can press the little, let me see if I can use this. Here we go. This little thing right here to save it. If it lets me, and then you're going to save it as a PNG. So make sure this is, click there, and you save it. And say if you went to Instagram, took a picture, what you could do, if you go back to your pictures, this is now in your pictures, what you'll do is you'll press the little, I don't know if it's showing, the little like export button, and you copy the photo. And then when you go back to Instagram, you can press and hold and click paste, and it'll paste, and then you can just add it onto pictures. So you can add it onto videos that way too. So let's see, we did that. You can also do that with fonts. So I emailed everyone fonts. If you don't have them, let me know. You have to tap to download them. And so I downloaded this Carolina already. Once you download it, you can click on it, and in this little area here, you're going to scroll all the way to the right and click where it says more. Scroll down and click copy to Over. It'll install it automatically, so it's all you do. So then you can go, and it'll be right here. Here's the font Carolina. You can type in Merry Christmas, save. You can save it to a picture again, and then just as before, you can select the picture. You press this little button right here. You copy it like this. And then when you go back to Instagram, if you press and hold, like act as if you're going to type something, and then you press and hold, click paste, and there it is. And you can add that to videos and such. So hopefully that helps, like hopefully that clears up everything you guys need as far as how to use the fonts, how to download the fonts, how to save the pictures, how to get the pictures into Over, things like that. And same thing as far as any pictures from your, like the stickers that you download. So like if you just want to do this, you can do the same thing. Let me do it a different way so you can see better. You can select it and copy just the picture, so you don't need to put it into Over first if you don't want to. So you can just press and hold, paste, and it's up there. So hopefully that helps. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. If you did not get the stickers or you need help with them, let me know and I will send them over. So bye.